Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you 10 helpful Windows keyboard shortcuts that you might not know about. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into them. The first is a quick and simple way of opening the settings. All you need to do for this one is press the Windows key and the I key at the same time. Next, if you press the Windows key and the X key at the same time, it will open the Quick Link menu. This has a number of tools and shortcuts on it, such as the Device Manager. If you use the keyboard shortcut of the Windows key, Shift key and S key, it will open the Snipping Tool that allows you to take a screenshot of just the selected area of the screen. Use the cursor to drag out the box you want to screenshot and then let go to save that area to your pictures. Now try using the Windows key and D key. This will minimize every single open window and leave you on the desktop. If you don't find this one helpful, using the Windows key and the Home key might be slightly better, as this will minimize everything that's open except the window you are currently in. Next, use the Windows key and either the up, left or right arrow key to move your current window to one of the sides of the screen. You can then use these key combinations, including the down option as well, to move your window around and minimize it. This is particularly helpful if you use split screen windows often. Another quick shortcut that should help with productivity is an easy way of accessing the File Explorer. Use the Windows key and the E key to open this from anywhere. The next shortcut is a simple one that will help when renaming files. Instead of right-clicking and then choosing Rename, simply select the item and then hit the F2 key to be able to type the new name for the file. Next, when you want to delete an item permanently, highlight it and instead of just pressing delete, use Shift and Delete, and this will permanently delete the item and you won't need to empty the recycle bin. Just be sure you don't need the file. Finally, you can easily access the Task Manager by using Ctrl, Shift and Escape. That's 10 helpful Windows keyboard shortcuts that you might not know about. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.